In this short video, you will see something you have never seen before. When we talk about preparing the soil in the fall, many gardeners immediately think of manure, compost or ash. But the real secret is often hidden in simple things we have at home. After the season, the soil remains exhausted, and many pests and diseases overwinter in it that can ruin the next harvest. That is why it is important to clean, nourish and strengthen it now, so that in the spring we will have a healthy and fruitful garden. Before we reveal this trick to you, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. One of the most powerful natural allies in this is garlic. It is not only the king of our kitchen, but also a true guardian of the garden. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties destroy pathogens in the soil, and the smell and compounds it contains repel many pests. This means that in the spring your plants start with clean and healthy soil. So, if you want your soil to rest over the winter, but also to wake up ready for a new life, listen to this simple recipe. Recipe with minced garlic. Take 10 liters of water. Add 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. You can use fresh or dried powder. Mix well and pour this liquid over the soil in the places where you will plant next season. In this way, the soil becomes naturally disinfected, enriched with beneficial compounds. And you reduce the need for chemicals in the future. Such a simple thing. And it changes the entire garden. Friends, send this video to your friends on social networks. Thank you for that.